know there's alligators in here?
There's alligators in here?
Yeah, in the swamp.
In the swamp in Maine? Really?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I saw mine over on the trail.
An alligator?
It nearly attacked me.
It nearly attacked you?
Yeah.
My goodness, Heath. Well, where do you think they go during the winter then? Because they can't survive in the winter. What was that? What was that? Something rustled the grass. Survival food, huh? You've got to eat the Hershey Kisses in order to survive. Let's make sure that that garbage makes its way into your pocket. No one likes a litter bug. Right, Heath? Are you a litter bug? Have you ever littered before? Never? Wow. Impressive. Oh, there's some of the swamp. Wow, I thought I just saw an alligator poke its head up. Whoa. Whoa!
Hi. See those reporting from Max's Woods.